If you're after a tap tempo tremolo pedal, but you don't want to spend a couple of £100 or a couple of $100, you might want to look at these little units. It's a Momentary tap kill switch. Because it only acts as a kill switch, it literally needs no power. So you just plug your guitar in, plug your guitar out again. You don't need to power it with a battery or a power supply. So it literally is this easy to use. So it kills your sound and acts as a trem, but you can just tap it the exact tempo that you want.